Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this super easy dinner. It's a Parmesan Crusted Chicken. That's what I'm going to call it. I decided that right now. Okay, so in a bowl, you're going to add about a cup of mayonnaise, and I don't measure any of this. Most of this you can measure with your heart. And then we're going to use Italian-style breadcrumbs because they have seasoning. You don't have to use these, but this is what I prefer. And some Parmesan cheese, and you're going to mix that up. If you don't want to use mayonnaise, you could probably use cream cheese. Would probably work pretty good. It'd be extra cheesy. I don't know that you could substitute like sour cream or anything like that. I mean, you could try it. But I think cream cheese would be the best substitution, but mayonnaise works great and it doesn't taste like mayonnaise, but I know some people just don't like it. So, and that's fair. Okay, so you get all that mixed up and then you want to set it aside. I am getting out my chicken breasts and these suckers are huge. So I'm going to cut them in half, just, butterflying them. Not very well. My knife was dull when I made this video. I sharpened it yesterday. You should always keep your knives sharp. Otherwise, you won't be able to butterfly chicken good. And also, you're more likely to cut yourself with a dull knife. And so now I have my baking dish, and it doesn't matter what you put these in. You can put them on a tray, you can put them in a dish. It doesn't matter. I just got this because it was what was convenient. I'm putting them in there. I'm laying them in a little line so that, you know, they're kind of touching each other, but they're not on top of each other. And then I'm just going to season the top really quickly with some salt and some pepper. And I used the Italian breadcrumbs because they already have some seasoning in them. So I don't need to put anything more than just salt and pepper on here. And then I'm taking that mixture and I am going to smear it on the top of the chicken. And you want to get a pretty good layer, so that it'll be nice and like crusted. It's not really like a crust where it's like crunchy. It's kind of soft, but it has really good flavor. My neighbor in his big truck decided to turn it on and start driving it around the neighborhood right now. So you might be able to hear that. I'm sorry. And you just want to smear an even amount on top of all of the chicken. I love this recipe. It's so easy. You just bake it at 400 for 20 to 25 minutes until the internal temperature reaches 165. But I mean, seriously, it takes like 5 minutes to put together and then you put it in the oven and you can do something else. But there it is, all done, and it's delicious. And if you want to see more recipes like these, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes, and thanks for watching.